subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. REM will be announcing the Realme X7 Max 5G and new REM smart TVs on May 31st in India. Ahead of the launch, a moderator at REM community has shared the unboxing images of the X7 Max 5G. The unboxing images show that the Realme X7 Max 5G will be available in a white-colored retail package. The other contents that are found inside the retail box include a TPU case, a quick start guide, a SIM ejector tool, a 50-watt start charger and a charging cable. The community moderator claimed that she will be revealing more details of the smartphone on a daily basis before its official announcement. The landing page of the Realme X7 Max 5G available on REM India's website has also revealed some of its key specs. It states that the phone features a Super AMOLED screen with a punch-hole design, which offers FHD+ resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, a 360Hz touch sampling rate, up to 1000 nits brightness, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, and an 8,000,000:1 contrast ratio. The Realme X7 Max 5G features the Dimensity 1200 chipset. Its battery size is not mentioned, but its 50 watts charging tech can allow the phone to gain 50% battery power in just 16 minutes. Its rear camera setup has a 64-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel secondary lens, and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. The handset weighs 179 grams, and it has a slim profile of 8.4 millimeters. It also features a 3.5 millimeters audio jack and a USB-C port. The Realme X7 Max 5G may come in options like 8GB RAM plus 128GB and 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, and it may start at Rs 28,999 $399. Speculations are rife that it will arrive as a rebranded version of the REM GT Neo, which was announced last month in China. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.